Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is an online transcription service that can convert audio or video files into text. The process is straightforward. Users upload their files on the TranscribeMe website and then professional transcribers listen to the recording and type out the words. So let's head to the website. The gold standard in audio and video transcription. So let's sign up. So human edited description, all powered transcription, translation. So let's get started as a customer. So one of the standout features of TranscribeMe is its fast turnaround time. Users can expect to receive their completed transcriptions within a few hours, depending on the length of the file and the number of speakers. This makes it a great option for people who need their transcription done quickly. So here you click on sign up, you enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and the password, and the name of your company. So this is just an example. I don't have any of this. And here we have the sign up button. Here, sign up. This video will be about how to be a customer and asks for people to do your job. Recaptcha verification failed. Wait, where is the recaptcha? Oh, you can sign up with Facebook or Google. So I prefer signing up with Google. This is just Arabic. This isn't magic. And let's click on the email and just wait. So yes, let's log in. User not activated. Let's head to the email website. Another positive aspect of TranscribeMe is its affordable pricing. The service charges per audio minute, so users can only pay for the actual length of their recordings. This is a cost-effective solution for those who need transcription on a regular basis. So let's look for the TranscribeMe email. So there are two emails or just one? Only one. You click on here. And we wait. And now after verifying the account, let's get started by uploading your first audio or video file. You can upload file or choose from Dropbox or upload link from web. Let's get started by audio or video file. Forget this. So here you put your recordings, audio, video, upload them so freelancers and transcriptors find them and edit them and transcribe them. So here recordings, the orders, support if you need help, and here to view your account and privacy. Here we have the profile, you can link it to your account, you can add your phone number, the time zone, the 00. Where to find the 00? Okay, forget. I will take Casablanca. We have the social account, the cloud storage. You can link to Dropbox storage to easily upload your videos and files from Dropbox. Here you can change the password, and here to delete your account. If you delete your account, we will permanently remove all of your recordings and transcriptions. Here we have convert account. Did you create a client account by mistake and you want to convert your account to be a transcriber? Click convert button to make it happen. So it's easy, just like magic. So here we have the billing informations. So overall, TranscribeMe is reliable and efficient transcription service that is easy to use and offers fast turnaround times and affordable pricing. So here you fill your billing information, the name, the last name, the email, the first address, the second address, the country, the state or the region, the city, and the zip code. And here the credit card number, the expiration date, CVV, and save. So for the notification settings, we have the language of notification you receive on your email. So you can active or you can enable or disable the news update and promotional email from TranscribeMe to your email. And you can also switch off all notification for once. Here we have the shopping cart and it's empty. Here we have the live chat button. If you need help, you can chat directly with TranscribeMe customer service. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.